Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about AWeber, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you sign up and create an AWeber account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to sign up for an AWeber account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to stay in touch with your subscribers, and AWeber is a popular way to do that. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in the AWeber website. Check my video description. I'll try to leave my referral link there, but I've already pulled up their website and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and sign up and create an AWeber account, you can go ahead and enter in your first name, last name, and email address here. You can also sign up with your Google login. So I'm going to go ahead and enter this information in off screen. Okay, I went ahead and entered the required information. I'm going to click here, get started for free. Okay, immediately AWeber sends me a confirmation email. So I need to go ahead and check my email, click on the email link. So let me go ahead and jump on over to my email. Okay, I went ahead and checked my email, and then it was just an email from AWeber saying that my account's ready, and I needed to click a link, and it brought me here. So I'm going to go ahead and set up a password. So I'm going to enter my email address and then create a password. Okay, I went ahead and set up my password. I'm going to click on save password. Okay, next it brings me here to the pricing page. So you can go ahead and sign up for the free account, which is what I'm going to do for the purpose of this video, but they also have Lite and Plus. So basically the difference is going to be how many subscribers you have, and you have this little chart right here. So as you can see, the more subscribers that you have, the price increases. Also, if you're going to pay monthly or annually. So these prices are going to be different depending on where you live. So be sure to check the different prices depending on how large of an operation you're running. And then once you've made the decision, go ahead and click right here. Okay, next, AWeber is going to ask you a few different questions to set up your account. So first, they're asking for my company name, social profile, and then industry. And they're asking if I've ever used AWeber before. So I'm going to fill this out off screen. Okay, I filled that out. I'm going to click on continue. Okay, next, AWeber does ask for your physical address. This is for anti-spam laws. This is required in order to send out emails. So I'm going to enter this information in off screen. Okay, next, AWeber is asking how many subscribers I have on my email list. So let me go ahead and just click here, yes, and continue. Now they're asking which marketing software I'm moving from. So I'm going to click other, and continue. Okay, now they're asking about my goals. You can choose to answer that. I'm going to go ahead and skip this. And here they're asking for other tools that I'm using within my business. Once again, you can go ahead and choose to answer that. I'm going to skip that. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now it brings me here to my AWeber dashboard. So I can go ahead and start importing my contacts and setting up my marketing. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to sign up and create an AWeber account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.